What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I've got the kit all painted up and ready to be glued. What I'm calling the Exploded View pre-glue review for this 71 Boss 351 Mustang. All new tooling by Revell. So far, this has been an absolutely stellar kit. Great build. The detail is fantastic. The fitment is phenomenal, to the point that you know, when you're working with a kit and you can sort of tell if it's going to be wonky or if it's going to fight you, or how it looks, how the details are, how stuff goes together. And you know, if you follow the channel, a lot of times I will subassemble almost everything. I mean, you know, a lot of this stuff would have been glued together, but because it all fit so well and had such nice details all throughout, like just a quick example, even the bolt heads, you know, the little, you know, put a little black Sharpie on there to pull those out, little stuff like that throughout the entire kit. Little tiny little details that are there that with a little bit of attention, you know, you can pull those out, pull them out really nice. The water pump housing, again, something that I ordinarily would have pre-assembled and painted with the little brushes later. But because this thing is going together so well, I couldn't help but share it. This Exploded View, there it is. There's everything to the kit, with the exception of this little corner over here. These are the added wheels. I got rid of the stock rims and two of the tires to make up my own custom set. Got some bigs and littles with some cool Kragers. So other than that, this is out of the box. It's completely stock. I haven't done any black wash or other, you know, attention to details for like the chrome trim or anything like that. This is just basically painted and laid out, ready to glue together. Fantastic kit, absolutely fantastic. I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting anything other than just my enjoyment from letting you know this is a great kit. If you can, go get one. The engineering of it, all of it, just the way, you know, again, when you're first starting with a kit and you're like, I want to test fit it, you know, the like the lower valance, see how it fits, how it's going to go together. Look, I mean, oh my gosh. Yes, please. Everything has been like that. So that's why I'm spending a little bit more time, a little more detail in individually painting each part. And then this chrome pen work, I pull out all those details. So I still have a lot of decals to do. This decal sheet, doesn't matter if it's upside down or not, really. There's a lot of, you know, like, there's a fan belt decal. Just leave it at that as an example. Yeah. So there's still some work to be done. I just wanted to share real quick what I'm calling the Exploded View pre-glue review. And this one is a thumbs up. If you can, go get one. And you know, as always, the slideshow, assembly process, and finished product will be coming. That's it. I'm about to get into the stuffs and put it together. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.